Unboxing a cedar. Mixcder. There is a picture of a cedar tree on the box. And what do we have in here? Comes in a nice case. No bubble wrap or styrofoam. That's good. We saved the planet. Nice case. Very sturdy. Inside, little plastic bag. And we have USB for charging, probably. And some classic stereo connectors. Instructions, probably in multiple languages. And warranty. And a nice message from their marketing department. What about the earphones themselves? Leather and plastic. And they're metal here. So, feels pretty sturdy. Now we'll need to charge it up. There's the noise canceling button. And volume control on and off. So let's charge this thing up and try it out.